Hello everyone, let me show you how you can add product and classification in SCCM. Currently, if you see in the software library, you will not be able to see any updates as a new SCCM environment. Even I ran a sync right now and it clearly says that it doesn't have any classification, so sync will do nothing. Now let's go to our SCCM console. We'll go to administration, site configuration and sites, and on the top right hand side corner configure site option, and you need to select the option which says software update point. Now go to the products. Now in my environment I only want to sync Windows 2022 server updates, so I know which exact product and classification needs to be selected. So I'll just select my product as per my requirement. You can choose as per your own. Let me choose mine. Once your product is selected, then go to the classification tab. Remember, if you are just selecting the products and not selecting any classification, your sync will do nothing, because whatever product you have selected, this classifications is important to select as well. So in my scenario, I have to select critical and service updates. I'll simply click on apply and OK. Now if you go to software library, all software updates, you can just right click and perform a sync. But whenever you are changing the products and classification, a good practice is to run a full sync. So let me show you how you can run a full sync. On the top left hand side corner, blue icon, go to connect to Windows PowerShell. For you want to run the software, you just select A, always run. Now you need to type the exact command which I'm typing. Sync -C and software update -full sync $true sign, hit enter. Now nothing will happen here. To see what synchronization is doing, just go to wsync.mgr.log. You will see a file has been dropped. It's a .syn file, and a full synchronization can take good amount of time. So my sync took around 1.5 hours. I'm just showing you what exactly happened on the log. So you can see the status message 6701, and then the sync started, what updates are been synchronized. The estimate time here was showing 1 hour and 21 minutes. So based on your category and product selection, it can vary, and we can see what updates are been synced to SCCM as well. You should be able to see the update ID and update full name, just like that. So now just wait until and the entire synchronization is completed, and then on the console you should be able to see the updates. You need to look for message ID 6702 in the wsync.mgr.log. Now I'm going to my SCCM console, all software updates, and now I can see the updates have been synced. So this is how you add products and classification in SCCM, and this is how the updates are synced. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe.